You guys got your IDs?
I got my social security number.
Your social security.
I think that the
so you don't have no form of identification?
I think that the golf place has my ID with.
Okay, are you guys all right?
Yes, yeah, I think that.
No, what happened to you though?
No, sir. I just got sweaty.
Do you look at your arms? Do you look at your arm and your knee?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I fell on the golf course.
You fell on the golf course.
Florida police stopped these two men who were found driving a golf cart down the highway. They were found after numerous calls reported the two driving down Highway 1 in Key West, Florida. The calls stated they were clearly intoxicated. The jaw-dropping stupidity of these two men is only just beginning, as this will be anything but a simple traffic violation.
Do you need something, sir?
Right on the other side of the road, they were driving on the left lane.
All right, so are you the accident guy, or what's going on?
Yeah. But I'm not going to report an accident. It's just to tell them not to drive.
All right, so you called in to us about an accident?
Yeah, there's no. I told the lady I'm not. It's like no damage. I'm not going to report.
Okay, how about that? All right. Give me 1 second. Okay?
This is one of the men who called in the golf cart. Many people on the highway were incredibly worried because they could see just how young the driver was.
You have your ID?
No, I'm not social security, but they have my ID.
Okay, are you guys all right? All right. I also see trees. What's going on with the trees in the car?
No, sir.
I don't know about any low-hanging trees, so what happened there?
No, we already.
Yeah, you're more than welcome to give a call to the golf course to see if we're members.
All right. You guys have nothing with your name on there, right?
No, sir. No, I got my social security. I got my Florida voter certificate right here. And then I think that they have my driver's license.
Right. You don't have anything.
No, sir. They have both our driver's licenses.
Many golf courses keep the ID of anybody who rents gear from them to ensure that they come back and return it at the end of the day. What's interesting, however, is that the Key West Golf Club doesn't keep IDs, so they're lying.
No penalty.
We have to go.
You got one, Fred? I appreciate it. Mine's not.
I just moved here from Nashville.
All right, go there. I want you to sit down.
Taking this course from there.
All right, I don't need you walking around.
From Nashville for the college.
Any guns, lights, explosives on you?
Sorry?
Any guns, lights, explosives on you?
No, sir. This is all I got.
So let me see what you got there.
My Tennessee distributive license via birth certificate, and then my Florida voter's license is what it is. And then
if you go back there.
All right, so James.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your date of birth?
April 14th, 2003.
2000 what?
3.
This boy is James Riley Jackson, a 20-year-old Key West resident. His buddy is Colton Ray Reed, an 18-year-old. The bag between them on the floor of the golf cart has 2 cans of twisted tea, which they are obviously not allowed to be drinking at all, let alone while driving.
I believe that the golf course. If need be, I can show you guys, but the golf course does have it.
The golf course has your license?
They have mine too.
No,
But I do have a Florida driver's license.
they don't hold your license.
A Monroe County driver's license. I do.
I have a Tennessee Nashville license, and they hold mine as well.
I golf there regularly, and they don't take your license.
So they took mine.
Yeah, well, here's all I got is my state driver's license and
And you said yours out of Florida?
my identification. That's out of Tennessee, but
Your driver's license is out of Florida.
my voter's identification course is out of Florida, and as well as my current address is out of Florida.
Where is your driver's license?
My current address and driver's license is out of Florida, Monroe County.
It's out of Florida.
But the local golf course has it right now. But
Unless you left it at the bar, they don't hold your license.
correct, but as soon as if you drive me up there right now, we can go get it. They don't have it right here. So it's either in my truck or in the golf cart here.
These are brand new. They just got these shit.
They did just get it.
They must have rolled this motherfucker.
I mean,
Roll with the trees.
We didn't roll
that's all
the tree did it.
Yeah, if you hit a tree with them. I mean, I've been there. I've been in a car with somebody.
Yeah, we told the golf course that the tree hit it. You know?
Yeah, the rest is theirs. Yes, because it came from there. I'll go see if we can figure out where the hell that came, because it came through the tree, obviously.
They're being a bit generous because a tree didn't just hit the golf cart. It's a bit difficult to see, but there is extensive damage to it. The $16,500 Yamaha golf cart has extensive damage to the front axle, considering the front wheels are pointing in 2 different directions.
Hey, what you got in the back, Papa? What you got in the back?
I have no clue, sir. 2 seats twisted.
You got wine. How old are you?
Twisted tees.
How old are you?
I'm 18, sir. Yes, sir.
Where'd you got this from?
I have no clue.
This is not yours.
No, it's not.
Just magically appear right there next to your feet.
Yes, sir, it says. He's 21. That's not mine.
He just sold out his buddy. He'd already told the officers his date of birth, so they pretty much ruined any chance they had right there.
Yeah, you can call the golf course and see
How old are you?
our reservation and everything.
How old are you?
21.
How much you had to drink?
My 20th birthday was April 14, 2003. I'm almost 21.
Okay, how much you had to drink?
None.
Okay, you're slurring your speech. You look drunk.
No, I haven't had anything to drink.
I'm gonna ask you to do some exercises for me
Sorry.
to make sure you haven't been drinking, okay? You willing to do the exercises for me?
Yeah, I'll take any test.
Okay. Where you got the alcohol from?
That's from the cart lady at the golf course.
This is all unopened, sir.
Yeah, unopened.
We haven't opened it yet.
I understand, but you both under 21. It's
Yes,
illegal to be in possession of alcoholic beverages when they're open or closed.
Absolutely,
We
yes,
haven't
sir.
opened it
Okay.
yet, though, so it's,
No,
It
it's
doesn't have to be open.
yeah, no, yes.
The mere possession of alcoholic beverages
I
is a crime,
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir. No doubt, no doubt.
Like, come on here.
Yeah. 1,015. 1,016.
Okay, good. Okay, this one I do gonna place you in the arrest for DUI, okay? Push your hands behind your back. Do you have anything on you that I should be aware of?
No, sir.
Okay, the alcohol that is in the golf cart. There's a wine bottle and there is 2 twister teas, I think it's called.
Okay.
Are those your friends or are those yours?
Those are my friends, yes, sir.
So, which friend? Jeff?
Colton?
The guy with the pink shirt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he told me they were yours. So who's lying, who's telling the truth?
Those are my friend Colton's. He got them from Jeff also.
Okay, all right. Walk over here.
Okay.
Do you have anything on you that I need to be worried about? Any
No, sir.
drugs, weapons,
No, sir.
knives, needles?
No, sir.
Is there anything in the golf cart that you need?
No, sir. Other than a phone call.
Okay, do you have your cell phone on you?
No, sir.
Is it in the golf cart?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll get it for you, okay? How about your wallet? Where's your wallet at?
Any water.
No, your wallet.
Wallet, yeah, it's in
In the
there.
golf cart?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You want me to get those for you?
Please.
Okay.
Hang on, I'm gonna have one in custody. Okay, my friend. The
Okay.
best way to sit in there is put your butt in first and
Okay.
kind of scoot in, okay?
Okay.
And
All right.
I'll pull your window down so you don't crook, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Okay?
And you know when I'll get out?
It's a mandatory first appearance, so you have to see a judge first.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, sir.
Do you know a Mr. Spelios?
No.
No? Alright. Fair enough.
On that? His cell phone?
I have no clue, sir.
You have no clue where his cell phone?
I think he has it to himself.
I know where his, but that's his wallet though, right? Is that his wallet?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
7434-7434.
All right. There's no cell phone, nothing like that, right?
Yes, sir. I have no clue.
Whose bag is this?
This is mine.
Is that your personal? Is that your personal one?
No, sir. We rented that one.
You guys rented that one. Where's the other one at then?
Yes, sir. The other one is in his truck at the restaurant.
At the restaurant?
Yes, sir. These are 2 twisted teas, that's it.
All right, so his cell phone's not in here.
Yes,
You're telling me.
I have no clue where his cell phone's at. I know where my cell phone and my ID are at the restaurant.
Okay. Oh, this one here, even though you guys are both not allowed to have those.
Yeah, that's not mine.
Well, the one, yours is right there next to your hip.
No, sir. No.
It's not? That's not yours?
No, sir. No,
We can sit here and play the game.
No, I'm dead ass.
So he has his in here. Yours?
I'll be straight up with you.
All right. I don't know about that one. We'll see. All right.
This is Signal 14. County's got one girl male in custody reference Signal 1. That was on the tip. I run the DL number. It's not coming back down.
Yeah, I know. It's a fake.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna be out of Florida.
He is. I found him out of Florida, but I'm like, well, this was just on the scene.
Oh, so is that his 21? So how they
But
got
it's,
the
I don't understand why it's fake. The birthday doesn't even. Wait, 2000. Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah, he's
Maybe.
21.
That's how they got the boots.
accident hit run district.
Which one is that?
That's his.
Okay.
And then this guy had his ID as well.
Which guy has his ID?
He did have his ID.
We've got a 10-minute time delay. Stand by prescription.
Yeah, no, they found it.
2005. He's 18, so.
Yeah, that one over there is 18. This one's.
This one's got a look odd.
The information was blurred by the Key West Police Department, but the officer is holding a fake South Carolina driver's license that has James's info on it, but a 2001 birthday. This fake ID is how they purchased alcohol, which just adds another charge onto their already long list.
Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to an attorney?
No.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
No.
No. Okay. All right, then I need you to stand up. Turn around, face the road, put your hands behind your back.
Can I ask you what did I do?
Well, you're an accessory to theft of a vehicle, possibly criminal mischief.
Oh! Yeah, that sucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's sir. Yeah, that's it. That blue and that purple thing. Yes, sir.
What is it?
That's a hit.
Okay, well that's not going to be able to go with you to the jail.
Yes, that's understandable. That's what I'm saying.
All right. Whose golf clubs are these?
These are mine.
Those are yours?
Yes, sir. I'm renting them from the
They're rentals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. We're going to walk back to my car. Get you my car.
Do you want us to tow them? Well, the golf course won't take to come back there, but I told them like the wheels are like. I mean, I can.
Management at the Key West Golf Club told police that they wanted to pursue charges. They had received 6 complaints about them driving erratically before they'd even left the course, and they caused significant damage to their fence where they drove right through it to leave the property.
And so there's no opportunity for me to make bail between.
No, because the law says that you have to see a judge. So the judge will say, the judge can say, no bail. Just give you a court date and tell you come back on this date, so he releases you on your own recognizance. Or the judge can say this guy is very dangerous, no bail, you gotta stay here and wait for his court date. Or he can say this is the bond amount, you have to pay at least 10%, get a bonus payment and pay it, or pay the whole amount.
But that won't happen today.
It will not happen today. Usually first appearances are done in the morning.
Monday or Sunday?
Every day, but in the morning.
Sunday.
Any day.
Okay.
Holidays,
Yeah.
every day is first appearance. But in the morning.
Yeah. But I'll get my phone call.
Okay, fine.
James was taken to the county jail on Stock Island and charged with DUI, larceny, vehicle theft, criminal mischief and property damage, possession of alcohol while underage, and a possession of a fake ID. Colton's charges unfortunately were not made public. Both of them, however, spent a night in jail and were released at 12:59 p.m. the following day with a bail amount of 0. The outcome of the criminal cases for both boys has not been publicly broadcasted, but it's more likely that the private suit by the golf course will cost them more in the long run. So if you'd like to be kept up to date on what happens to them and whether or not they're brought to justice, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll always bring you the latest and stupidest that the public has to offer.